Hi everyone. Today we are going to see one more frequently asked questions in the FANG interviews. The question here is how to find the second largest element in a list. So now let us have a look at the list and our expected output. So if you have a look at our list, I fill the list with some random values like 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 30, and 20, and according to the problem statement I want to find the second largest element. So the second largest element is going to be 20 here. If you could observe, that is the first largest element, 20 is the second largest element. In order to find the second largest element, I have a three-step logic here. So first is sort the list in ascending order, and second is remove the first largest element, and third is get the leftover or left out largest element. Okay. So first we'll go step by step. First step is sort the list in ascending order. So how we are going to sort the list in ascending order? So there is something called as a sort method which does the sorting of the list in ascending order. So when you do so, this my underscore list is no more is something like this. So this will be changed to ascending or sorted list within ascending order. So let us give this print of my underscore list. Let us run this. So now if you have a look, this is our original list. If you give a print statement earlier, this would be the output. After sorting, I gave this print statement. That's why it appeared like this. This is my first largest element. This is my second largest element. So anyhow, we sorted the list in ascending order. We are done with the first step. So then we'll mix up second and third. Before that, we'll just first look into the second step. What is the second step? Remove the first largest element, which means from the list, which means we want the list to contain only these values. We want 30 to be removed. Okay, there are multiple ways to remove it. You can just give the pop and give the index of it also, or which means the length of the list, or you can directly give the slicing method, or using the negative index you can remove. Right now I'm using this print my underscore list. I'll be using this negative indexing. So this will give you the interviewer a good impression that you are aware of negative indexing in Python also, right? So this is our, when you're giving a -1, the last element will be removed from the list and the rest of the list will be displayed. So let us have a look at what I'm saying. So now if you have a look, if I give a -1, the first largest element got removed. So now the list is this. Among this list, now we are interested to find the maximum, right? So I can simply call upon, so the third method is get the left out largest values. So I'll just mention it here itself because I'm trying to include a one more function within it itself. So there is a function called as max, which will give you the maximum of all the elements in a list. So I'm calling upon the max of this. So when I run this, my expected output will be 20. I missed a parenthesis, sorry. So let me run this. So now my expected output is dot 20. So this is how I have sorted out the, I have found the solution for the finding the second largest element in a list. So to give you a clear understanding, I mentioned the comments and I mentioned you the print statement. If I could remove these print statements and if you could ignore these two comments, this is a simple two-line code. Let us put it back, everything back, and let me run. It will directly give you the second largest element, right? So this is my list. So I sorted out the my list. Then what I did, by using this negative indexing, I removed the first largest element. Then I applied the max function in order to get the second largest element. This is how I got my second largest element. For more programs on it, please subscribe to Python Enthusiast. Thank you.